Whoa, what the? Hello, guys.
That's cool. I want that.
No, I don't know. Today we are playing Night Before the Blizzard, which is a game that I've actually been wanting to play for a long time. So,
Look at that.
no, we already saw that. Come on, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's actually go. Let's just wait for these guys to go away, because nobody cares. No, don't go in. Tristan, get over here.
Okay, I'm looking for the lace guys.
All right, let's see him go by himself. All alone. Mr. Man, everybody in! Hurry up in there, guys! Hurry! We're off.
I'm gonna drive.
You can't even get in the car, though.
Yeah, not below, baby. Yay, Weaver.
Home sweet home. All right.
Yeah.
Objective, enter your house. Guys, it's this way.
Okay. I live in the dumpster. No. I'm trying to get in my house.
Welcome to Christmas. Put wood in. We need to put wood in the fireplace. So welcome.
Let me show you where it is.
Welcome.
Oh, I thought my house was the dumpster.
Oh, wow. This is a lot different than Resonance Massacre.
It's probably gonna be scary.
No, the reason. Do you want to know why I say that?
Why?
Is because to speed up, it's not like you hold down that the joystick. It's actually you hold down left click.
Is it me or did I just see a face on that hallway?
It could be literally anyone who did. All right, we need to find wood, and I think I found wood, but it won't let me pick it up. Oh, there's the wood.
Hello, wood.
That scared me.
A flashlight.
Wait, there's flashlights?
Yes.
Okay.
Why the heck?
I
wood?
can't get wood.
I'm gonna open the fridge and see. I just took some blocks. See, hold up.
Well, I think we might need the Bloxy for something later.
Which door?
Where the heck is the wood? A long, long time later.
I found the water. Oh yeah, I turned off. Oh yeah, I turned down the music. I found water. Where the heck is the fireplace?
I put it in. Listen to the TV. Emergency alert system. Robloxia County until first. Civil authorities issuing a shelter-in-place warning. Don't skip. Why did you skip?
What? I wanted to. I hate you, Hayden.
Okay, whatever. All right, there's a bunch of entities.
Where the heck is the fireplace? I need to put this wood. Damn, I said where is the fireplace?
Justin, the wood is out there. Everybody, prepare for the blizzard. So what do we do?
Flashlight.
So what do we even do?
I don't know.
No, don't skip prep time, actually. We gotta prepare. Do we have to board the windows like an RM?
I found a flashlight.
I think you can go on the computer. No, you can't.
Why do I keep seeing faces? Tablet. I think I'm just going insane. Why? I kept someone. I think I'm just going insane because of this game.
How do we even prepare?
I keep seeing faces all over the. There's a Bowser. There's Bowser in the store.
Something, whatever you call it.
I'm not.
All right, everybody, close the doors and hide in closets.
I still have a wood.
It won't let me in the closet. Hello, is Jack in there?
I'm staying here.
You can't get in there, unfortunately.
Why?
I'm sure as long as we all stay together.
Why is it a closet?
All right, everybody skip. All right, here we go. I'm scared. Everybody, we got
Can
this.
I go in the closet now?
I think so.
Still no.
Everybody,
I'm
nice.
hiding. I don't like this. I'm hiding in the fridge.
I'm hiding in the wood.
Everyone hide somewhere that's not next to the fireplace.
Why'd you just put that on? Somebody's knocking at the closet. What does that mean? Jump scare in 3, 2, 1. Ah!
That scared me. Did that scare you?
Yeah, that actually terrified me to death.
Wait, did you die?
No. We can heal? Oh my god, this is so much better than Residence Massacre.
I don't like this.
Yeah, me neither.
Can we play the Santa Claus?
I think that's even more worse.
Let's play Santa Claus. No, we want to play this.
Yeah, we're gonna play this first. I feel like there's something outside. The fire's getting low. Somebody put the wood in the fireplace. Why did you put all of it in? Now we're gonna have to get more. Jump scare in 3, 2, 1. Not again.
This is scary.
Somebody has to go get more wood.
It's not gonna be me. Not gonna be me.
The winter horn. What is the winter horn?
I died.
What the heck is the winter horn?
Ah! Did you die, Gavin?
No. What is the winter horn?
The winter horn? If you
Huh?
see it, flash it.
I ran out of battery power, and it's getting close. Ernest,
It's in the bathtub. Oh, hi, Hayden.
where's the winter horn? Jump scare in 3,
See,
2,
how you-
1.
Ah, there's the
Ah! My gosh.
You want to play again?
I guess we are already. Alright, we're here.
Are you gas there?
Enter the mansion. It's 3 p.m., I guess. Come on, Hayden.
Wait, this is old Roblox.
No way!
It's literally supposed to be old Roblox.
No, wait a second. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is the mansion from Mansion Madness in Residence Massacre. Go to bed and rest. What? Why do we have to do that? That sounds kind of ominous. I guess so, we have to. But first we need to find a flashlight if there is a flashlight.
If we find a fireplace, let's burn it up.
There is a fireplace. Alright, not yet. No, guys, we gotta go bed. We gotta go to
I have
bed.
no idea where the bed is.
The bed is upstairs.
Ah.
And this is the bedroom.
I have no idea where
I'm
the
going to
is.
bed now, guys.
I can't find the bedroom.
Tristan, it's next to the bath. Hey, Tristan, it's over here.
This is the bedroom. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm going to bed.
How does this have two things?
What the?
We're not buying any game.
Who's the winter horn here?
Attention. This is an important message from the government of Robloxia. We are issuing a severe weather warning for the entire region. A powerful snowstorm is approaching, and it poses a unique and heightened risk. For your well-being, we strongly advise everyone to stay indoors and avoid any unnecessary travel.
I don't know.
Close all windows and doors
Can we do a
securely.
speed?
Do
Wait.
not, under any
Guys, can we do
circumstances,
speed test?
venture outside during the storm.
What does it say?
Cooperate with all directives from local authorities. Thank you for your attention.
Looks like we're gonna have to
Stay safe,
fight.
Residents of Robloxia.
I have no idea what that just said.
All right.
Dude, this is old Roblox.
Zombies? This time the winter horn will not get us.
Let's go down.
Tristan, it's 12.
Why the heck did I say shiggity?
I don't know.
I meant to say shiggity, not shiggity.
Do you want free chicken nuggets? Do you want free chicken?
You want free chicken nuggets?
We're probably only gonna get to the zombies anyway. Hey, Tristan, why are you up here? Survive the... Oh god, we actually have to get inside, guys. Get inside.
Gavin, literally. Gavin, it's a blizzard. What do you expect?
We're recording, and I don't know.
I'm going upstairs.
Womp.
The fireplace.
I'm staying next to fireplace.
Me too. Me too. I don't want to be cold.
Once upon a time, there was a... girl. No.
Dance.
What is this book?
Book. I just got it. I have no idea what it did.
Yeah, because I don't even have it in my inventory. Inventory.
Like my dad, there was a boy.
I'll look for any intruders. Especially... I thought for a second. Ah, what the... Oh no, we need fire! We have to get outside and get fire! Ah!
What is it?
The winter horn! Ah! It's the winter horn!
Anyone, did you die? Yes, I died. The winter horn just chased me. That's fine.
It's actually kind of slow.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go inside and get my speed coil.
What does that mean?
My speed coil.
No, it said an unknown creature is rising. And I
Jump
gotta
scare in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I'll just die on the winter horn.
The winter horn.
Killed. I died. That was fast.
Did it just get updated? Is it new? Is this a new game?
I don't know. Finally, we're here.
Imagine nightmare would be.
Oh, this way.
Dude, I like how we have custom cursors, right?
Yeah.
It still has stuffing somewhere back.
How do I run? Alright, what button do I press? Guys.
Welcome to Santa's workshop.
Whoa.
Great to have you on board. To start off, please help us by cleaning up the trash. We like to keep the workshop tidy and cheerful.
Alright, you guys do that while I figure out what button helps me run. There it is.
Wait, no, I want to get this. Let me do it.
Do you even know where it is? Let's go.
Great job. Now, could you add coal to the fireplace? It keeps the workshop cozy.
I have a feeling this is a bad idea. Oh, we have to go upstairs.
Dude, watch this.
I don't really think this is a game for the controller.
Last task for the day. Make sure you're asleep before 10 p.m. Feel free to roam and grab some food. Rest is important.
I'm feeling jelly stuff.
Whee!
I mean, yeah, I do. That's okay.
Yeah, me too.
I got it. Jelly.
I got that cake.
Hey! Num, 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 num. Yummy. What the heck are you doing? Oh my god, I'm in a package! Jenna, help me! Jenna, I'm in a package.
How did you...
10 p.m. What is this?
I don't know. I think I know how this is gonna work.
This is another big one. Wait, is it?
I hear it.
Something's wrong with Santa. Something's wrong with Santa.
What does he mean by that?
He's changed.
Oh! Oh!
I wonder if he got it there. A blue. It looked cool.
How do we get out of this? What have we done?
Guys, we have to go through there.
You threw through what? Go through what?
Go through where Santa is.
Why?
We have to.
Why?
Hayden, get back!
What is it?
He's coming.
I'm guessing this is why the answer is bad.
He's right here. Tristan, where are you?
Duh.
Oh.
What? It's Claus.
I'm sleeping.
Again, was the part when Santa killed Jerry cool?
Yeah, and cool.
Yeah. You know?
Santa!
I see.
Oh!
There's no escaping
What happened?
Christmas.
He's next to the door.
Wait, I just see.
I have this cake! I'm not afraid to use it!
What are you guys doing?
Something's wrong with Santa! He's changed! My flashlight's about to die.
There's no
Oh,
escaping
shoot, I gotta eat.
Christmas.
Hey, I have a question. Does Santa stay in there or does he move around?
I don't know.
Ah!
We probably shouldn't take our chances. Guys, we don't have a choice. We have to get food now. Wait, Claus is there. Tristan?
I don't see him.
He's coming! You think we can lure him over here? I'm about to die.
Christmas.
What's he talking
Santa? Santa? Damn it!
You need to eat.
Santa? Santa?
Gavin, you need to eat.
Santa?
about? Wait, are you in there?
I think it's okay.
Good.
Come out.
Oh, wait.
Oh. Claus! He's coming! Where is he? Ah! Oh my!
Did he kill Tristan?
Did you die yet? Gavin?
No, yes.
Tristan,
That's it. Does it have a jump scare?
No.
Okay, good. Then I'm gonna die by Santa. Or die of hunger. But
go to Santa.
I already died.
Did you die to Santa?
No.
I see.
Wanna play again?
Nah. Let's.
I want to play again.
Alright, guys, you can play again. I'm gonna finish this video. Bye, guys. Bye.